Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss about the ALCOA Plus, which is the success key for pharma industry. We all know today pharma industry mainly getting warning letters or some of our friends losing job due to data integrity issue. There is only one solution to minimize the data integration, and that is ALCOA Plus. Here is the image for the ALCOA Plus, which describes meaning of each letter. A stands for attributable, L stands for legible, C stands for contemporaneous, O stands for original, A stands for accurate, and this plus sign is for the four more, that is complete, consistent, enduring, and available. Let's see the ALCOA plus details. First is attributable. Attributable means who performed the action and when. If record is changed, who did it and why. There should be a reason for any cut mark or anything that have been changed. Next is legible. Data must be recorded permanently in durable medium and be readable. Means it should be readable throughout its life period. Contemporaneous. Data should be recorded at the time work performed. Was it done in real time? That is the main purpose. That data should be recorded at the time of performing the any work. Original. Data must be preserved in its unaltered state. Next is accurate. No error or editing performed without documented amendments. Means if you change any document, there should be any evidence for that, or amendment. Document amendment should be there. Like we fill the change request and then update the SOP. Complete. All data including repeat or reanalysis performed on the sample. Data should be complete. Means if any reanalysis is done, that data should also be attached to the previous data. Next one is consistent. Sequence of the events and data files are date and time stamped in the expected order. Means there should be date and time for the generated data. Enduring. Material used to record the data should be in a manner which will last a long duration of time without losing the readability. And last is available. Records must be available for view at any time and in readable format. Here is the connection between the ALCOA and 483. In 483, the more cited ALCOA plus topic was accurate. Means more 483 observations are related to accurate. As per the FDA 483 observations, pharmaceutical firms do not have accurate data. Thank you.